Hello everyone, welcome to our first lecture. But before we start, let me introduce my very good buddy, Professor Lin, who will bring you through the 15 weeks of lectures. She's an expert in organic chemistry. And now let's welcome Professor Lin. Hello everyone, I am Professor Lin. And we are going through the first lecture on organic chems, which is on organic compounds and chemical bonds. Sometimes you may see me in the video, sometimes I may not appear because there are many chemical reactions which needs you to focus on. But I will bring you through the whole semester on organic chemistry, and I hope you like organic chemistry. Many of you must be wondering, what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry, in short, is the chemistry of substances found in living organisms. Okay, something that is alive. And all organic compounds contain this element called carbon. The current definition of organic chemistry is the study of carbon compounds, except minerals like carbonates and oxides. And in this lecture, we need to understand the ways in which atoms, especially carbon, join together to form organic compounds. Most compounds in living matter are made of the same few elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur and phosphorus. Carbon is virtually always present in living organisms, and thus organic chemistry is the chemistry of carbon compounds. The term organic suggests that this branch of chemistry has something to do with organisms or living things. So remember, organic chemistry is the study of substance from living sources. Okay, like your yeast, your mold, your mushrooms, your animals, and human. Okay, so for example, in food, you can have like organic compounds like your baking soda, which is actually neutralize the acid component and release carbon dioxide air bubbles. The formula of baking soda is NaHCO3, or sodium hydrogen carbonate, and it is also called sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so this is one organic compound which we use in food. It has a soft crystalline molecular quality. It has the ability to neutralize acidity, is a leavening agent, and is able to absorb many odors. But in food, we mainly use it as a leavening agent to enable baking goods to rise. Next, in a lot of Chinese food, we find this organic compound called MSG, monosodium glutamate. It is found in most soups, salad dressings, frozen entries, and basically in a lot of Chinese food. Okay, it will give you a very kind of umami taste, okay, in your food, and it's commonly added to enhance the umami or the savory flavor of food. And also, even our vitamins, like vitamin C, is an organic compound. It's called ascorbic acid. The formula is C6H8O6. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid is an antioxidant that is also found in fruits. And it helps us to develop our body healthily and to increase our immune system. In food, we also have organic compounds in the preservatives, such as BHT, which is butylated hydroxytoluene. However, This compound has been said to cause cancer in animals, and there are people who believe the consumption of BHT can cause metabolism problems. And thus, a lot of companies such as General Mills, they will remove the antioxidant BHT from its cereals. And BHT has been recently commonly replaced by BHA, butylated hydroxyanisole, in other types of food. So, the periodic table according to the organic chemist, if you still remember last semester, you used the periodic table for physical and inorganic chemistry. And for organic chemistry, you will find that the part in which you have the hydrogen and the carbon being enlarged. Oh, it's so big because organic compounds consist mainly of carbon, the element carbon, and also hydrogen. And there's some nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur. So what are some of the applications of organic chemistry? It's not only used in food, even in molecular biology, like our DNA, our RNA, proteins, and hormones are actually organic compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen elements. For pharmaceutical industry, we have this drug, okay, which is commonly known as Lipitor. It's a statin that is used for lowering cholesterol level, and the sales is billions every year. In food, organic compounds are also used as or exist as our sugar, vitamins, some sweeteners, flavoring, and coloring agents. So in this lecture, we will understand the way in which atoms, mainly the carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and hydrogen, join together to form organic molecules.